Begin your facial cupping protocol with a clean, fresh face. You can use the silicone facial brush that's included in your Glam kit. This helps gently cleanse and exfoliate. Next is to apply a gliding agent to your skin, or any other non-absorbent or non-irritating oil. You might want to try rosehip oil, sunflower, jojoba, or coconut oil. The oil is necessary so that the cups can glide gently over your face. Activate your Glam facial cups with the squeeze and release method. This helps to create a gentle vacuum suction. Start with the gentle suction. Then you may increase the intensity to medium or even stronger as needed. To treat the chin or jawline, place your large Glam cup under the chin and glide under and along the jawline, moving up towards the ear. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. Then drain down the neck with your fingers, the cup, or the silicone brush. Massage cupping the lips. Select your mini Glam cup and proceed to plump the lip area using the flash cupping method. Note the gentle squeeze and release technique. For extra plumping, suction, lift, and hold for a few seconds. Repeat this action 2 or 3 times. Complete the lip treatment with gliding massage strokes from corner to corner. If you find it easier, start in the center of your lip and move towards the corners. Repeat 3 times. Massage cupping for congestion. Place your large Glam cup on the sinus area and use suction and release to help drain the sinuses. You may also suction the cup and pull it gently, wiggling it back and forth a few times to help decongest the sinuses. Brighten your eyes with cupping. Using your small Glam cup, start at the inside corner of the eye with the flash cupping technique. Note the gentle squeezing and releasing. Repeat this 3 times. For crow's feet, anchor the skin above the cheekbone with your free hand. Use your cup to glide up and down over the crow's feet area. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Mini brow lift. Select either a small or large Glam cup and keep the cup suctioned in place for 5 seconds. Complete the brow treatment with gliding strokes that move from the inner to the outer corners. Repeat these strokes 3 to 5 times. Forehead. Using your large Glam cup, place it between the eyes on the number 11 lines. Squeeze and release 3 to 5 times. Continue the treatment with gliding action that starts in the center of the forehead, moves upward and outward. Finally, drain down the side of your face, down the side of your neck, and across the clavicle. You may even use your hands or the silicone brush for this last step. Repeat this gliding action 3 to 5 times on each side. This helps release tension and smooth wrinkles.